AudioHall Pro Review. Wireless Bluetooth Stereo Headphones. The need for a good pair of wireless headphones started a few months ago when all of us started working from home due to the lockdown and finding it hard to concentrate on the work. So AudioHall Pro, a good pair of headphones, comes with noise-canceling feature with a long battery life, which is also comfortable for traveling. What is AudioHall Pro? Even though the market before also had some good wireless headphones, most people always preferred AudioHall Pro headphones. Wireless headphones became a mainstream product a few years back, and since then we've seen a lot of brands offering a variety of headphones that can match the wired headphone quality with less hassle to manage. Additionally, our list of best headphones also comes with noise-canceling features. These are also significantly larger and provide better sound output, noise isolation, and battery backup. AudioHall Pro feature: high-definition stereo music playback, sound surrounding effect, premium listening, high-fidelity music reproduction with no distortion, supports phone calls with dual built-in microphones, stable 5.0 Bluetooth connection, long distance, fast charging with standard USB-C connection. Benefits of AudioHall Pro earbuds: fabulous sound, deep, strong bass, amazingly clear vocals, new and vaporous high-pitch highs. I was overpowered at the idea of my earbuds. They genuinely sounded as extraordinary, assuming more awful, than my old exorbitant earbuds. I couldn't keep my feet from tapping. Minimized and portable. Most earbuds these days are really adaptable, and AudioHall Pro are something very similar. Nonetheless, what makes AudioHall Pro a touch more extraordinary here is the useful charging case they can be taken care of in for security. It's essentially a little added security that ensures your earbuds will not get crushed or broken during your developments. Superior grade and ultra comfortable. They look mind-boggling and they feel uncommon, too. AudioHall Pro are manufactured from astounding composite plastic, and the wrinkles are finely joined, ensuring enormous comfort. They are proposed to fit comfortably in essentially any ear, so don't be reluctant to jump around. They will not quitter. Helpful charging. Simply place your earbuds in the charging case for beneficial USB Type-C charging. They put away no push to charge, and I was good to go rapidly. How does it work? AudioHall Pro are a trend in this advancing technology. You can easily connect to different devices without the messy wires and limited movement. There are 3 ways to connect devices wirelessly: infrared, radio, and Bluetooth. But we'll focus more on the Bluetooth technology, as this is the widely recognized wireless connectivity. Moreover, most gadgets these days are Bluetooth enabled. Be it your TV, smartphone, tablet, or speaker, Bluetooth connectivity has been integrated in most devices because of its better portability. It can also offer a more convenient wireless transmission among the other technologies. 50% discount and free shipping. Click the link from the description below to order AudioHall Pro. Thanks a lot for watching the video.
Please like, share and subscribe now.